Level 1. Private. 2 a.m. at Fort Moore. Drill sergeant screams before you land. Civilian life ends. Phone, clothes, hair gone. Uniform doesn't fit. 50 strangers. 10 weeks rebuild. 4:30 a.m. wake-ups. PT until burn. March as one. Shoot M4s. Navigate woods. Drill sergeants are walls. Collective punishment teaches teamwork. Some quit. You stay. Graduation. You're a soldier. Broke. Owning nothing. But you survived. Level 2. Specialist. 2 years in. AIT done. First duty station. Better than basic, but boredom hits. E4. Backbone. And punchline. No authority. Master looking busy. Guard duty at 3 a.m. Clean weapons. Hurry up and wait. Barracks life. DFA seafood. Friends marry young for housing. Half divorce within a year. You endure. Level 3. Sergeant. Promotion board passed. 3 chevrons. Overnight responsible for lives. NCO now. Lead 4 soldiers. DUIs, PT fails. Missing formation. Your phone rings. Know their finances. Mental health. 23 years old. Counselor without. Training. Paperwork consumes you. Risk assessments for everything. Managing unwilling people. Love it and hate it. Level 4. Staff Sergeant. E6, 7-10 years, deployed, heard explosions, felt concussions, maybe lost someone. Don't talk about it. Lead a squad, translate guidance into tasks, counsel team leaders, enforce standards, body breaks, knees ache, hearing fades. Early 30s moving like 40, ibuprofen and drive on. Level 5, Sergeant First Class, E7, Platoon Sergeant, partner with a lieutenant. They have rank, you have grit. Bridge between command and ground. Officers plan, you execute. Manage training, maintenance, personnel. Promotion boards fierce. Friends stalled at E6. Talent matters. Politics rules. Level 6, First Sergeant. Top, diamond on chest. Company of 200. Every crisis flows to you. Arrests, divorces, depression. Work with company commander. You've been doing this longer than they've been alive. No soldiers' secrets. Memorial ceremonies. Boots, rifles, helmets, folded flags. Carry those names forever. Level 7. Sergeant Major. E9. Senior Advisor. Represent enlisted force. Speak on morale. Push back when policies fail reality. 20 years served. Body catalog of damage. Deployments. Family missed. Marriage survived or didn't. Fort Bliss. Pieces. Of career makes sense. You are the Army's memory. Level 8. Second Lieutenant. Officer path. Gold bar. Butter bar. Lead platoon know nothing. Platoon sergeant knows all. Listen. Competence comes from failure. Lead soldiers older than you. Earn. Trust. Level 9. Colonel. 20 years. Command brigade. 14-hour days. Meetings. Scandals. Budget cuts. Formal banquets. Home life hard. Thin air at the top. Level 10. General. 30 years. One of the few. Command divisions. Pentagon decisions. Brief president. Phone never stops. Sign orders knowing some won't return. Acceptable casualties. Dover Air Force Base. Don't look away. Politics consume. Family paid price. 55. Tired beyond sleep. Ending. Retirement. Last salute. Silence. Phone stops. Pension and shadows. Meanwhile, a kid sits in recruiter's office. 18 years old. Nervous. Signs paper. Ships to basic. 2 a.m. bus. Drill sergeant screams. Cycle begins. They always figure it out. The machine continues.